All right, there's another round of the 10-minute warm-up, and for this one, we're going to take a little bit more twisting and side bending than usual, probably. So bring yourself into all fours. And we'll start taking this into the wrists and start moving through the spine. So from here, just look down and keep the hands about shoulder width. Now with your palms on the floor, rotate your fingertips to the side and then in toward the knees as far as you can go. Set your hands flat, spread the fingers wide, dig your fingertips down, grip the floor. Circle your shoulders or wrists here to begin. And then just come into center with your arms straight. Now take this through cow and cat breathing. So the arms stay straight, but with an inhale, drop your belly, bring your chest forward, look up. Exhale, round your spine and empty as completely as you can. Inhale, drop your belly, bring your chest forward, gaze high. Exhale, round and empty. Inhale, drop your belly, pull your chest forward. Exhale, round again. And then one more time with the inhale, drop your belly, look up. Exhale, round and empty out. Now just come back into center, back to more or less neutral. Come up onto the fingertips. And then bring the hands in a little bit closer, within 2 hands lengths of your knees, and flip your hands over. Backs of the hands down, palms up. Point the fingertips toward the midline of the mat. And with your fingers spread wide, slide the hands together to interlace your fingers. Now keep the palms open and keep your fingertips pressing down. Just move around a little bit side to side. And keep your hands tense. Now let the stretch move through the backs of the hands, through the wrists, into the forearms. And then come into center, keep your arms as straight as you can. Now with your hands still tense, move your legs one at a time. Extend your right leg straight back, reach to the big toe. Now hold that leg straight, feel the lift in the glutes. And you're going to pulse this sideways so you're moving like a fish. So just go on my count. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the right knee down. Hands are still tense. Take it on the other side. Left leg straight back. Reach for the big toe. Feel that lift from the glutes. Pulse your left leg sideways. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bring your left knee down. Come up onto the fingertips. Down onto your heels. Shake your hands out for just a moment. And then come back into all fours. Now just keep your hips stacked over your knees, but step your hands forward about 1 hand's length, a little more stretched out. And we're going to thread the needle from here. So with an inhale, reach your right arm up high. And then with the exhale, bring the right arm underneath and bring your shoulder all the way to the floor. Stay down. Now stack the left shoulder above the right. Look up toward the ceiling. Keep your right arm active and pressing into the floor. This might be enough. Now if you can take it further, reach your left arm straight up and just move your left arm. Bend the elbow. Bring that hand behind you. Come into a half bind. And then reach that arm straight up. Keep your shoulders stacked. Bend the elbow. Bring the left arm behind your back again. And then reach straight up. One more time. Bend the elbow. Bring that arm behind. Now use that bind. Pull the left shoulder further back. Keep your right arm pressing down. And then release. Bring your left hand to the floor. Come up onto the right hand as well. Back to that stretched out all fours. We'll take it on the other side. When you're ready with an inhale, reach your left arm high. Exhale, left arm underneath, bring your shoulder all the way down and stay down. Now stack the shoulders right above left. Look up toward the ceiling. You can always stay here. Now if you can take it further, reach your right arm high, and then just moving your right arm. Bend the elbow, bring that arm down behind you. And then reach straight up. Bend the elbow, half bind, right arm behind, and reach straight up. One more time, bend the elbow, bring that arm behind, hold this time. Now use that bind, pull the right shoulder back, keep your left arm pushing down, and then release. Bring the right hand to the floor. Come up onto the left hand as well, back to all fours. And then bring your legs out from underneath you and come to a seat. Now I want to set up for a version of the reverse tabletop. Feet in front of your hips width. Hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Now rotate your fingers to the side and then back away from you. Lift your seat up off the floor. We're going to take this up on one arm. Now keep your left arm straight. Bring the weight to the left hand. Reach your right arm forward between your knees. And if this isn't going to work for you, just keep the right hand down. You can just lift straight up. Either way. Press your hips up. Now let your head fall back. Stretch that right arm long. And then sink back down low. Again, lift your hips, squeeze your glutes, reach that right arm long, and then sink this back down. One more time, push your hips up, hold here. Now stretch your right arm long, let your head fall back. Keep your glutes squeezing and your hips pushing up. Just breathe, left arm stay strong. And then go ahead, sink all the way down, bring the right hand to the floor. You can shake your left hand out for a moment. Let's set it up for the other side. So feet hips width again, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Turn your fingers back away from you. Lift your seat up off the floor. Now the weight's on the right arm. Keep that arm straight. Left hand reaches between your knees. Up and down. Press your hips up. Stretch your left arm long. Let your head fall back. And then sink back down. Again, lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes. Stretch through that left arm. And then sink this back down. One more time. Push your hips up high. Stretch your left arm long. Hold here. Now keep the glutes squeezing, stack the shoulders, keep breathing. And then sink back down, bring your left hand to the floor. Now just take a moment, shake your hands out again. Now go ahead, cross at the ankles when you're ready. Come forward to hands and knees. And we'll take a kneeling version of bridge. So bring yourself down to sitting on your heels. And keep the knees about hips width distance apart. Hands behind the shoulders, about shoulder width. Try to stay light and stand your fingertips. And keep in mind, to make this work, you have to kick your feet down and squeeze the glutes as the hips push up and forward. Now, when you're ready, kick down, squeeze your glutes, let your head fall back, open up the front of your body, and then sink this down. Kick into the floor, lift up, open up again, and then sink back down to the heels. One more time, kick into the floor, lift up, open up, hold here. Now, keep your glutes engaged, keep your feet pushing down, maybe try to hover your hands up off the floor. And then sink back down. Now take it side to side. Left hand stays down. With an inhale, sweep your right arm left and push your hips forward. And then bring it back down. With your next inhale, sweep your left arm right. Open up on this side. And then come back down. Inhale, sweep the right arm left and lift. Exhale, come down. Inhale, sweep your left arm right. Open up. And exhale, bring it down. Inhale, sweep your right arm left. Now hold this time. Stretch your right arm long, let your head fall back. Keep your glutes squeezing. Maybe kick into the right foot and try to lift your right knee up a little bit. And then bring it back down. With the next inhale, sweep your left arm right. Open up on this side. Now stack the shoulders, let your head fall back. Keep your glutes squeezing. Maybe kick into that left foot and lift your left knee. And then bring it all back down. Once you're down, walk the hands forward, come into all fours, move around for a moment. And then bring this into a forearm plank. So bring both forearms down. Now you can have the forearms parallel, the palms flat, or push your palms together. Just keep your elbows at shoulder width. Bring your body into line. Step your feet back. Feet about hips width. And stand your toes. Keep your hands pushing down. Now move this straight forward and back. Keep your body in line. But bring your head as far forward as you can. And then press back. Forward for 2. And press it back again. Forward for 3. And press it back. Forward for 4. And then press back. Forward for 5. Press it back again. Forward for 6. And then press back. Forward for 7. Press this back. Forward for 8. And then press back. Forward for 9, press it back again. Forward for 10, and press back one more time. Now roll the heels to the right, come up onto your left hand. Keep your hips lifted, maybe stay here. If you can take it further, reach your left arm high, open up and stack your shoulders. And if you can move with this, keep your left foot pressing down. From underneath, step your right foot forward, and then step it behind. Right foot forward, and step it back again. Right foot forward. Step back one more time. Come back to center to your forearm plank. Take it the other way. Roll your heels left. Come up onto the right hand. Keep your hips high. See about reaching up through that right arm. If you're going to move, keep the right foot pressing down. From underneath, step your left foot forward. And then step it behind. Left foot forward. And step it back again. Left foot forward. And then step behind. Back to center to your forearm plank. And then just set your knees down. Come up to all fours. Move around. All right, one last thing to keep things warm. So wrists into the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Now tuck the toes with both feet, hover your knees up off the mat. And then pressing your hands, sink down to your heels. We'll take it back and forth here with a cross step. So come forward, right foot steps to the left from underneath. And then come back down to your heels. Step the left foot over to the right. And sink down. Right foot left. And then sink back down. Left foot right, come back to the heels. Right foot left again, and then sink down. Left foot right, and come back to center. Right foot left again, sink back down. Left foot right, back to the heels. Right foot left again. Sink back down. Step your left foot right and come down. Right foot left again. Back to the heels. Step your left foot right and sink down. Right foot left again. Back to the heels. Left foot right and sink this down. Right foot left one more time and sink down. Left foot right one more time. Back to the heels. And then go ahead, set your knees down, come back to all fours. Take a couple breaths. All right. And that's the 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.